I'm going to show you a walk around and setup of Rubi's DC-250 850. Start by undoing the leg bolts, 4 all together. Lift up the end away from the motor and fold the legs out. And tighten down the leg bolts. Slide the motor up to the other end so you're not lifting the motor and the machine. Lift and then fold these 2 legs down. And tighten the bolts. You can free up the motor now so it can slide down the rail. You get a little pack of clips that clip the cable to that water pipe. And also there's a different kind of water cover to stop all the spray going up. This is the water pump that sits in like a little triangle at the corner which stops all the sediment going into the pump. That sits down in there. The bed plates just come off and you can clean up underneath there all the sediment that might have built up. There is a little plug hole underneath that you can drain the water out of. And they just literally sit back on there. If you undo these bolts on each end, that allows you to swing the whole rail over onto the mitering angle for beveling tiles and mitering tiles. So you'll see that slides along and you can cut down the whole length of one tile and miter the edge. This allows you to cut other angles to, I think, is about 50 degrees or maybe a bit more. And that red triangle allows you to set different tile sizes. That simply swings back up to the top, and don't forget to lock it down, both ends. Lock the handle back a little bit so if it moves around in the van it's not going to smash into the handle. Just keep it back a little bit. There's the stop start button and it's like an emergency stop on there. It does have a plunge facility. Oh yeah, these are the transport wheels, they just roll around. You can roll it into the van, but once it's lying down it won't skate about once it's on its 4 feet. It's only when you lift it up that it rolls. Yeah, water shut-off valve there, you can regulate the flow of water. This is the Python system, so that slides up and down. And the little Python foot, if you ever damage it, we do sell spare ones of those. Just like a little rubber boot that goes on the end. If you want to protect the side of the wheel, continuous rim blades, you don't really need to. It's only if you're using segmented blades that are more dangerous. You can generally leave that up out of the way. Yeah, and that's the Rubi DC-250 850 version.